So if we're now going to take the x over and the 1 over, we're going to have square root of x plus 6 over 2 equal to minus x minus 1. Okay, take the 1 over, make it negative 1, take the plus x over, make it negative x. And now multiply the 2 over, 2 times negative x is negative 2x, and 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Okay, and this side you still have x plus 6, and now we square both sides. Okay, so those first two steps, always the same thing. Take everything over that's not part of the square root, as far as you can. Okay, unless you're going to end up with fractions, and you can, like I said with the previous one. But here it's a denominator, so you can take this denominator over by multiplying it with the negative x, multiplying it by the negative 1. Okay, and then when you square, you're going to have x plus 6. Here you're going to have negative 2x minus 2 times negative 2x minus 2. So you're going to end up getting x plus 6, and then here 4x squared plus 4x, and again plus 4x is plus 8x, and then negative 2 times negative 2 plus 4. So when you finish, okay, you just take the x over, it's 8 minus 1 is 7x, and then the 4 minus 6 is negative 2. So it's still a little bit difficult. We're going to try to factorize that. And it looks like what can work is 4x and x, and then you get plus, so it's going to be plus 2 and minus 1. So when you double check, 4x times x is 4x squared, 4x times 2 is 8x, minus 1x gives you 7x, and then negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Okay. So now we're going to check, again, x equal to 1 over 4 or x equal to negative 2. We got to check now which one is the right one, because that's our two options. Okay. So negative 2, substitute it. Negative 2 plus 6 is 4. Negative 2 plus 6 is 4. Square root of 4. 2. 2 divided by 2. 1. 1 plus 1. 2. And then 2 minus 2. And you put negative 2 in there. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. So it works. So this one definitely works. And then the 1 over 4. Oh, that's going to become hard. But you will see when you try the 1 over 4. I don't think it's going to work. You're going to have 6 1/4. So it's going to be 25 over 4, and then 25 over 4. Let's try it here. If I substitute 6 1/4, 1 plus 6 1/4, and then here plus 1 over 4. We have 1 plus, and then this 6 times 4 is 24 plus 1 is 25 over 4. Plus 1 over 4. So this is going to give you 1 plus 5 over 4, 5 over 2, and then plus 1 over 4, which is not equal to 0. So we can see, no, and then we still have to actually divide this by 2. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So you're going to have 1 plus 5, but you're still not going to get 0 on the other side. So this one doesn't work. Okay, so that is your right answer. X is equal to negative 2.